Clicking on the sign up link provided by your school, you'll land on this page to sign up on Demiks platform as a corporate client. Enter your email, pick a new password and click on this button to sign up. You are also able to sign up using your Google account as a more convenient option. After you are signed in, you get access to your company information. On the left-hand side, you see a couple of icons. The first one is your list of employees. You can see their names and basic contact information. You can add your employees yourself or use this button to import them from an Excel sheet. Later, you'll be able to assign your employees to different contracts. Remember, it's possible that the school adds the list of employees for you. The other icon is for invoicing. Click on it to see the list of your invoices. Each invoice shows the details of your course, prices, taxes, discounts, and payments. Click on the Enrollment tab to see which employees are assigned to that invoice or to assign employees to a course. In the Attendance tab, you see the list of classes as well as the dates and the attendance record of your employees for each class. The teacher notes and comments will appear on the list if any. At the end of the class, you'll see two new icons here if the teacher issues any certificates or report cards. If you need help, you can contact us using the link at the top of the screen or directly contact your school.